Hey everybody, it's Rosie here. When you wake up in the morning, do you feel excited or not? If you wake up feeling tired, maybe this drink can help you. Have you ever heard about a beverage that combines banana, lemon, and honey? According to a study done by the Catholic University of Leuven, Belgium, and published in Frontiers in Psychology, many people suffer from emotional and physical distress. Starting the day was already tiring. So, to start the day with energy, it is necessary to consume the essential nutrients, like this drink we will teach to you today. Is this video helpful? Then, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. Banana is rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin C, B1, B2, and B6, besides minerals, like magnesium, copper, manganese, calcium, iron, and folic acid. The fruit also contains antioxidants, being excellent for digestion and blood pressure. Rich in flavonoids, beta-carotene, vitamins, and minerals, beets are great for the liver. They also contain high levels of betalain, the substance that makes the liver red and promotes its regeneration. Lemon is an excellent homemade detox medicine since it is rich in potassium and chlorophyll and helps make the blood alkaline. It eliminates toxins from the body, reduces symptoms of fatigue, and improves the energy for daily chores. Isn't it incredible? Honey is rich in antioxidants, amino acids, and essential vitamins. With regenerative properties, bees' honey fights the harmful effects of free radicals over our cells, strengthening tissues and increasing the presence of antibodies. Besides, its anti-inflammatory effect is highly known, making honey one of the most famous medicines against colds and flu, thanks to its expectorating powers in the airways. This drink fights fatigue, offering energy to the body and helping it recover its strength. Write down the ingredients: 2 bananas, 2 lemons, preferably organic, 1/4 cup honey, pure. Directions: slice the bananas and put them in a blender. Squeeze the lemons, add the honey, and blend until smooth. Drink in moderation for better digestion. This beverage gives energy to the body, helping it recover while fighting fatigue. Try it and share your experience with us. If you're interested in learning more about how to lose belly fat, then be sure to check out our sponsor BioFit at the first link in the description.